You will love the features of this 2018 Nissan Rogue Sports. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a stylish, efficient Rogue that has the features you need to stay on top of today's demanding lifestyle. This can-do crossover anticipates your wants and needs with a quiet, comfortable ride in a spacious, well-equipped cabin. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, remote engine start, backup camera, fog lamps, dual zone AC, heated front seat, tire pressure monitoring system, stability control, locking limited slip differential, traction control. Get the comfort you want and the efficiency you need in this handsome Rogue. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.